The patient has forward head posture, weak rhomboids and trapezius muscles, and has weak and tight upper pectoralis muscles. In this case, the patient needs to focus on stretching the posterior neck musculature and strengthening the upper back and chest. One of the exercises that we can do is chin tucks. Do this exercise for 7 seconds hold, 10 reps, 1 to 2 sets. Next exercise is an alternative for seated rows exercise. Do this for 10 repetitions, 1 to 2 sets. We can also do upright rows exercise. Do this exercise for 10 repetitions, 1 to 2 sets. Another exercise is the lateral pull down. Do this for 10 repetitions, 1 to 2 sets. For the last exercise, we have wall stretch. Do this exercise for 15 seconds hold, 10 reps, 1 to 2 sets.